Let's get a little meta here. There was something like almost 400,000 people on SCOTUS blog following what the SCOTUS bloggers were writing in their real-time reporting of the case. I had numerous streams that accidentally seemed to pick up the news channels. I'm not exactly sure how that happened. But, CNN, which prides itself on being the most trusted name in news, in covering the news as opposed to commentating on it, theoretically, they really got this one wrong. Now, of course, Fox did too, but, I mean, it's Fox. But CNN had some major, major egg on their face. Here's a compilation via, I think it was Talking Points memo, on both Fox and CNN getting it way, way wrong.
Oh, boy.
We have breaking news here on the Fox News channel.
Hold on a second. Kate Baldwin has got some information. Kate, go ahead. Tell us what's going on.
This is our first reading. We're still going through the reading, the opinion, but I want to bring you the breaking news that according to producer Bill Mears, the individual mandate is not a valid exercise of the Commerce Clause. So it appears as if the Supreme Court justices have struck down the individual mandate, the centerpiece of the health care legislation.
The individual mandate has been ruled unconstitutional.
I'm going to hop back on this phone to try to get more information for you and bring it right to you, Wolf.
Wow, that's a dramatic moment. If, in fact, the Supreme Court has ruled that the individual mandate is, in fact, unconstitutional, that would be history unfolding right now.
That means the mandate is gone.
It raises questions about any of this health care reform law.
The court striking down that mandate is a dramatic blow to the policy and to the president. The justices have just gutted, Wolf, the centerpiece provision of the Obama health care law. The question now is what else do they say in this ruling, and can parts of the law be salvaged? The direct blow to the President of the United States, a direct blow to his Democratic Party.
Yeah, if in fact that's the final word on the individual mandate, it could be a little bit more complicated.
We're getting conflicting information.
As I say, there's some confusion out there, conflicting reports coming in from inside the Supreme Court. So let's hold off on drawing any final conclusions on what exactly the 9 justices of the U.S. Supreme Court have decided.
All right, folks. Funny thing is, like, you know, when CNN reported that the mandate was struck down, they were like, this is a blow for Democrats, blow for Obama. I mean, it is just bizarre. I mean, just bizarre beyond words. That is the first analysis. I mean, this is a big, big law. Regardless of what your perspective is on it, this is a big law. Healthcare amounts to nearly 20% of our economy. This is a big, big law. The implications of the way it's decided will be huge going forward. Even if you thought this was going to have an influence on the election, whether or not it was upheld or not, how much of an influence could it really have on the election? So take that, whatever that percentage was, and as unpredictable as it is, and et cetera, take that versus the actual implications of the law being struck down. Like the implications for people like Susie Madrick, who called in, like Spike Ward, the implications for those people in that story that we read about, in the Appalachians who will have health care.
I believe it's something like 72% of young people who have health care because of...
Yeah, you have millions of people under the age of 26 who have health care now because of it. Children already can't be denied because of pre-existing conditions. I mean, the real-world implications, whether or not you agree with the law, even the real-world implications for the insurance industry, which by all accounts was an industry that needed this law to survive. Huge. Huge. And in reporting it wrong, they also report it wrongly.